Hello crafters, welcome to today's video Create at Home with G. Today I'm going to be decorating my mantle and my PC cubbies. Obviously because it doesn't take very long for me to decorate these things, I thought I'd bring you some extra decorating. So I'm going to decorate my PC cubbies as well. So in front of you you can see my mantle, the wall of a mantle. That is a new mirror just for the Christmas season. I might swap it out just every now and then with the other mirror that I usually have up there, and I got that mirror from Poundland and it was only £5. So as you can see to the left and the right, I have two hooks, and from those hooks I'm going to hang some lanterns, but I decorated the hooks this year. I put some faux foliage on it. So the first thing I'm going to put on those hooks are two red camping lanterns, so let's put those on. Okay, so that's the lanterns on, and on top of those lanterns I'm going to be using these red poinsettia ribbon flowers that I did in a tutorial coming up. I'm not sure if it's coming up or you've already seen it, so I'm going to use those. Let's put those on. Okay crafters, so that's the lanterns and the foliage all done. As you can see in front of the mirror, I have a wooden rustic church. I've left that there because it was just easier because I have a bit of snow around it, so I've just left it there. It does light up. I will insert some footage with everything like alight. So let's move in closer and get on with the actual mantelpiece. Okay, so I've added the very large chargers that you saw in a haul video. I'll have it linked so it pops up now. They were bought on eBay and they're really large. They're probably about almost 40 centimeters, I would imagine. So I put those either side of the mirror towards the end of the mantle. So let's add the next item. Okay, the next items I've added are two mercury glass trees that I got from Poundland, and they're hollow, and underneath them I have put a tea light holder. I'll show you better when I do the PC cubbies. And they go in front of the chargers. So let's add the last two items, and then that makes the mantle finished. Okay, and the last two items I have added are two candlesticks which have robins and pine cones and ribbon and holly. I'll take you in closer to show you, but that is the mantle for 2019 now finished. So let me take you in closer.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy
That's the mantelpiece done. Now we need to move on to my PC cubbies. I thought I'd bring you the PC cubbies in with the mantle video this time round, because obviously it doesn't take long to do the mantle. So this is, I call these my PC cubbies because this is where the home PC is. It's just below the two drawers. So this is a kind of a desk unit, and I always decorate the two cubby holes as I've just pointed to there. So let's get cracking. Okay, so the first thing I've added is some of the rattan placemats. Having the placemats or some sort of backing is becoming a signature thing for me now. So these two cubbies are going to mirror each other. So what I put in one, I'm going to put in the next. So let's put in the next item. Okay, the next item are some very beautiful embossed plates that I got on eBay throughout the year. and I'm using a lot of decorative plates in my home decor this year. And as you know, holly and robins are playing a key role in my decorations. So let's put in the next item. I'm going to be using these Mercury glass hollow trees, as I'm showing in the video now, and these are from Poundland. And I'm also going to be using a tea light, which I'm going to show you just now. I think it is. Yep, there we go. I'm going to show you now. And these are battery operated timer tea lights. So I'm going to put that under there, which lights it up. And there's the two trees. Let's add the next piece of the next item. Okay, some picks that I've made using bits and pieces from other picks. And the last item are two resin robin figurines. And that's the PC Cubbies done. Let me take
We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings.
Thank you very much for watching today with these PC Cubbies and Mantel decor. Right, to decorate with me. And you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.
For Christmas and a